My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, in this video I will to tell you about how to make a logo with Coreldraw. Before I start making it, there are tools and materials that need to be prepared, namely our computer or laptop, keyboard, mouse, Konsep, and Coreldraw application. First, open the Coreldraw application. Then create the new document by clicking File New, and then set the preset to Default RGB and render intent to 300. Second, determine the size search as name, size, width, height, and adjust them, then click OK. Third, create the width lens. To make it, select the menu layer, pick layer, width lens, horizontal, or enter the midpoint to the background. Use 40 and 40 cm peg to the midpoint is 20 cm, like this. Fourth, create the initial shape. Use tools like ellipse, polygon, rectangular, artistic media, and freehand tools to create the shape you want. Then adjust the position of the shape as you want. Use Ctrl plus C to copy, Ctrl plus V to paste the shape. To be more precise, hold down the Shift key. Next, color the shape as you want. Click the interface file tool. Then point the cursor the shape you want to color. Then click fill color location on the property bar. You can choose a color from the color viewers, color sliders, and color palettes. After that, add text as desired. Click the Tools text tool in the toolbox on the left with an icon, for example the letter A. Then type the letter or number to be created. The next step is to export the image as you desire. The format such as image, JPG, and others. Finally, save the file by pressing Ctrl+S. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.